Hello, and welcome to today's grammar lesson, where we'll be learning about sentences with because. So, what is because? Because is a sort of conjunction. We use it to combine two simple sentences. Here's an example. I work from home. I have my own business. To combine the two sentences, we use because. As a result, we'd say, I work from home because I have my own business. Notice that a sentence with because is a complex sentence. So it has two different subject-verb combinations. When is because used? We use because to give a reason for something. Sometimes we use because to give a reason for an action or a situation. Other times we use because to give a reason for a feeling or a state. Let's look at some examples. When we use because to give a reason for an action or a situation, we'd say, I work from home because I have my own business. The action is, I work from home. The reason, I have my own business. Next, when we use because to give a reason for a feeling or a state, you could say, Sarah is relaxed because she is on vacation. The feeling here is, Sarah is relaxed. Reason, she is on vacation. So what's important to remember? That because combines two simple sentences. Let's move on to the next point. How is because used? Because can be used at the beginning or the middle of a sentence. Please note, we put a comma before the second subject when we place because at the beginning of a sentence. Let me demonstrate using example 1. Because I worked many hours yesterday, I am tired. This sentence starts with because. Therefore, you have to have a comma before the second subject, which is I. Let's move on to example 2. Do you notice any difference? When because is in the middle of a sentence, we do not use a comma. So you'd say, I'm tired because I worked many hours yesterday. Here's a common mistake to avoid. When the subject in both parts of the sentence is the same, we use a pronoun in the second part of the sentence. Example 1. Because Ali owns a business, Ali works from home. This sentence is incorrect because you shouldn't repeat the noun. Let's look at example number 2. Because Ali owns a business, he works from home. This sentence is correct because we used a pronoun he for Ali. You do the same if because is in the middle of the sentence, as shown in example 3. Sarah is relaxed because she's on vacation. Here we have Sarah and the pronoun she. So remember, don't use two nouns together. Have the subject and then the pronoun. Okay, let's try this exercise. You need to combine each part of sentences using because. Pause the video and complete the sentences. Here is the answer key. Pause the video to check your answers. Let's now move on to Activity A on page 60 You need to write 2 sentences with because. Remember that because introduces the reason. Look at number 1. People need a break from work. People take vacations. So you could say, people take vacations because they need a break from work. Or you could say, because people need a break from work, they take vacations. Now pause the video and give it a try. Here is the answer key for exercise A. Pause the video and check your answers. For the final activity in exercise B, complete each sentence with your own idea. Pause the video and give it a try. Here's the answer key for page 62, activity B. Please remember, your answers will vary. For more practice on sentences with because, please visit LMS Online. Thank you, and see you next time.